Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at first and second conditionals. Possible versus impossible. First conditional. This can be used for possible situations. Structure. If, present tense, can or will. Nuance. If, possible situation, real future action. Example. If it is cloudy, I will take my umbrella. In this example, the speaker feels that it is possible for the weather to be cloudy. As a result, the speaker will take an umbrella. This is possible. This is real. Second conditional. Impossible or improbable situations. You feel this situation cannot happen or has a very low chance of happening. Structure. If, past tense, could or would. Nuance. If, impossible situation, unreal future action. Example. If I saw a UFO, I would take a picture. In this example, the speaker feels that it is impossible to see a UFO. In such a situation, the speaker would take a picture. But this is impossible. This is unreal. The speaker is communicating that the speaker feels this situation cannot happen. When to use them? How do you feel about the situation? Do you feel that it is possible, or do you feel that it is impossible or improbable? It is your decision. I might finish work before 8 p.m. It's possible. If I finish work before 8 p.m., I will go to the party. That is a real possibility. That is a real future. I can't finish work before 8 p.m. I'm too busy. It's impossible. I'm sorry. If I finished work before 8 p.m., I would go to the party. That is unreal. That is not possible. Perhaps you believe in UFOs. You think there is a real chance to see one. In that situation, you will take a picture. For you, this is real. You should use first conditional to show how you feel. If I see a UFO, I will take a picture. Making a sentence like this tells your partner that you believe this is real. You believe this is possible. It is sunny now. You believe it will not be cloudy later. You believe that there is no chance of rain. Bad weather seems unreal to you. You should use second conditional here. If it were cloudy, I would take an umbrella. Was or were. When using second conditional, you have to remember one special case. It is better to use were instead of was. Sometimes you'll hear speakers using was, but were is preferred. If I were you, I would join a gym. Usually we say I was happy, I was sad, I was late. In this case, we should use were. If it were sunny, I would have a picnic. Usually we say it was hot, it was cold. In this case, were is better. If Bob were not sick, we could have the meeting today. Usually we would say was. Bob was sick. Bob was late. In this case, we should use were. If you like, please watch the video again and practice making first and second conditional sentences. And remember, it's your choice. If you believe the situation is real and possible, please use first conditional. If you believe the situation is unreal or impossible, please use second conditional. Thank you for watching.